What up, YouTube? Getting to it. Today we're finally going to paint this Goldwing Cafe Racer. We finally got the weather, you know what I mean? I'm not going to paint when it's hella cold. I don't like doing anything when it's hella cold. So the first step, we're going to take some of this plastic paint drap. And we're going to lay it over the bike. This way, we're not going to get so much overspray, we're not going to clean as much. There's one piece. Here goes another one. Okay. Alright, now that we got them lined up, I'm going to lay a white stripe on that, start painting it. I'll try to explain it while I go through it. Alright, we want to wipe up all the dust. We don't want no dust on here. This thing has to be black. So let's start with this. Try to cover as much as you can. Shake up our paint. Once we paint this, I'm going to take this off. Then we'll work on the actual color on the body. All right. It's hot outside right now, so when we put it on light, it's going to dry fast. It's going to be nice. We'll be able to lay these coats on fast. Let that dry, come back. Okay, let me pull this tape off. I'm going to tape this up. I'm going to come back. Okay, so I've taped this up. Now I'm going to run a white stripe down it. I'm going to put a white stripe down the middle. Couple times over that same line. A little bit of wind, but heat's helping. The heat's helping. I'm watching it. I can see it drying. Pretty much when I spray it. So that's good. Trying not to get it too far, because when we lay the stripe, we're going to put the other colors down. We don't want those other colors to be too much higher than this. So I'm trying to lay this down a little bit thick. Alright. We'll let that dry. Come back and tape it. Do the next layer. Okay, the white's dry. We're just, I can touch it. We're going to take this tape, which is like a 1 inch almost. And we're going to lay a stripe right down the middle of it. We'll try to get it as straight as we can. That's one line. Now that we have that line, we're going to paint a black stripe all the way down it. Alright, let's do it. Just want to make sure it's stuck down. Okay. At least it's covering it. That's all that matters. I want that black line thick enough to where when I put another piece of tape down, it's going to go all the way past the tape. Alright, we'll let that dry. Come back, put the other tape on it, and keep going. Okay. I've taped up the white. Now I've taped up over the black. All over it, the whole way down. Next step, we're going to put some blue on it. Let's do the blue. We're going to do baby blue. Few coats. There we go. Keep painting. We'll get one coat on it, and we'll do another one. It's getting close. It's gonna be dry here soon. Last thing, clear coat. Then wet sanding, buffing. We'll try to get it as clean as we can get it with the spray can out here in the air. Okay, let's let it dry. Alright, let's do another coat, a light coat, because this stuff went on pretty good. Alright, we'll let that dry. Come back. Okay, it's been drying. I'm going to pull this off. See what we got underneath it. There we go, that's what we want. Okay. Let's pull that off. Let's see what it looks like when we got a clear coat. Pulling it off. Got a line on it. Now we got to put some clear all over it. All right, let's put some clear coat on it. We're just gonna use this whole can. Just keep clearing it, because I'm gonna need something to sand into to make it smooth. The more of this clear I put on, the more layers I can sand down into. Doesn't need much clear under the seat. All this is gonna be covered up. All right, let's let it dry and come back. Okay, next step, we gotta wet sand it. Wet sand it, put the stickers on it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.